Alright, so what's good, y'all, man? Today I'm back again with another banger. I know it's been a minute, but I'm gonna take y'all along with me, just show y'all basically what I do as far as for my reels, when I get reels for the car, pictures, and so on and so forth, you feel me? So I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Y'all gonna see what we do. Y'all gonna see how the magic happens. And yeah, I just feel like, you feel me, I wanna let y'all in on, you feel me, what I do. Y'all say y'all wanna see my day in life and stuff, so I'm gonna kinda let y'all in basically on, you know, my day in life and how we get this magic and get this money when we record the reels and videos and stuff for the car. So I'm at my apartment right now. I gotta go to my mom's house because, you know, I don't have a garage or nothing like that. So I gotta go to my mom's house, get the car, probably clean it up, wipe it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna meet my cousin at the house, my driver, who, you know, who does all the crazy burnouts and stuff like that. And from there, we'll just find a good spot, start recording, and make magic. You feel me? So I'll see y'all when we get to the cribbo. Alright, y'all, so basically, I'm just gonna give her a nice little, you know, like brush down, and then, because like a lot of trees here and it always gets dirty here, so give her a nice little brush down, and then after that, we will pull her out and take her to the spot, so just get her done with it. y'all feel me? We're finna get gas for the fill up. It's my cousin right here. Cousin number 1 going on. You feel me? Cousin number 2 gonna come out, the one that be driving and all that good stuff. So we're gonna fill up. The spot's probably like 5 minutes down the road. That must have just dogged him too. That must have dogged him. And he got over and lane and all that. But yeah, so let's fill up real quick. Get to the spot, and we're just gonna take, you feel me? We're gonna get a little bit of reels, a little bit of rollers, keep it all burnout, and for me, just keep it going, keep the magic going. So this is what it takes, bro. Every single day, or whenever you guys want to record and stuff like that, especially with cars. I mean, it takes a little work, but you know, it's the life we live. So when we get to the spot, I'll see y'all there.
All the colors match. They don't match at all.
Sorry.
I say all the colors match.
All the colors?
Yeah, but I don't actually lie.
Let me switch this around.
Bruh, that's a serious ass. What the hell?
Big boy camera.
Bruh, what the fuck?
All right, y'all. So here go cousin number 2 right here. The driver, the man, the myth, the legend. You feel me?
What's happening?
We finna get to the spot. Do some work. You feel me?
Put a little rubber down.
You feel me? A little bit.
On a little perk thing.
Okay.
I call it a perk thing.
Little perk. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working it right now. I'll show y'all. I gotta fix this right here. I need more 3M tape for this. It's coming off a little bit. I just seen him earlier.
That bitch got a mark like a.
Yeah. We got. So this how we rocking right here, y'all.
I'll get out the way.
Nah, you good. Here. Okay, let's shut up. Feel me? We got the daily back there. Gotta fill that up. Daily project. But yeah, we rocking, y'all. Alright. About to head to the spot. We'll see y'all boys in a second. You heard me?
I don't know what happened that first. Yeah. Oh, that last one?
Yeah, bro.
But you had them though.
I shifted into the 5th.
Yeah.
3rd is so close. Going in a second, I was trying to get it. I was like, nah, I ain't gonna miss it. I ain't gonna miss it. Oh, shit.
Yeah. That's exactly what happened.
That's like the 3rd gear. Like 3rd gear, like your SR, your tank. Yep. GSR transmission.
Yeah. That's exactly what happened that last time.
That shit was got the rod. And I came through like that, B16. Imagine if you had that B16.
Alright guys, so we're at the spot. Nice little open spot right here. We can do donuts and stuff. There's people in the back, whatever, so I don't know about the donuts, but we'll get a burnout. I'll get y'all a good burnout going out, and then we'll just leave. But it's basically what we do. We sit here, get a good, you feel me, background. Obviously that, like sometimes that gate's closed so I can get a better background, but even here, you feel me, nice open, and just, we shoot, bro. We shoot, we take videos, and we make magic happen. So right now, I'm actually gonna get a video of a little walk around. It's really all about just finding a good spot, finding a good location, and just make the magic happen. Like, you don't have to have, like I said, best equipment, the best gear. Just find a good spot, good lighting, and make magic happen. But this spot right here is really, it's always been a good spot. You see a lot of donut, like people have been doing a lot of donuts and stuff out here already. I actually didn't do any. Wait, we did a couple of these, but not a lot of these. But yeah, it's a good spot. So I'll probably come here when I'm practicing, you know, sliding the car a little bit more. But this is it, man. We do that, and really just, like I said, get burnouts. I'm gonna get one burnout going out just because there's people back here, people over there, there's cows back there. But and I just don't want people to get weird, you feel me? So I'll give y'all one good burnout, one good cleat burnout, and then yeah, like it's starting to rain, so I can't really get a lot of good, you know, stuff going on because I don't want it to get weird. But it's getting dark and I got one headlight, so yeah. But this is really what I do. I find the best location I can. It doesn't have to be with like, you know, the craziest stuff, but I like a lot of like signs, like notice signs and beware signs and all that stuff, just because, you know, it makes it better. And then there's like an abandoned little spot up here, like down like a little further. That's super nice. And then sometimes you can get in here too, but they close this right now. But this is a really good spot. I always come here just to, you know, take good pictures, vibe out. It's always good. It's a good time here. And my other spot is the library, but I like this one more. It's a little more exclusive, a little more ducked off. And yeah, but that's where we're at, man. Like I said, I just want to keep y'all, you know, in the loop of what we do, how we do it, and just give y'all more content. Like, I want to get more reels. I have a lot of reels and stuff stacked up for this right now, so I'm gonna drop a lot of reels for you guys. It's a lot of daily content, maybe not daily, but every other day content. I'm gonna get back on the YouTube grind. I'm gonna post every week for you guys, probably one time a week as of right now, and then just keep this year going, keep the fire going, man. Y'all been showing me so much love. Thank you guys for the real video, almost 50K views, man. That's crazy. I love you guys so much. Keep running it up, man. Pete, come here real quick. Pete, come here real quick.
Yeah.
You gotta give it up, like I said. Give it up to the guy, the man, the myth, the legend. This is the stunt driver right here. That was in the video. Y'all got him at 50,000, man. 50,000 views. So eventually we gotta get this guy on Instagram.
It got smoking.
You feel me? We're gonna get this guy on Instagram. And on Instagram, if y'all see it, bro, it wasn't a black. All that smoke wasn't from the black smoke. That was from tire smoke. You feel me? So we're gonna get him Instagram. We're looking at a Mach 1 right now for him, bro. We gotta try to get this kid the Mach 1. If we can get him a Mach 1, it'll be. We'll do some crazy stuff to it. But
oh yeah.
That's the project. That's the daily. That's coming. You know, that's coming soon. More content for that. I got the hood. We're gonna for the daily. Get some suspension, lower it, wheels, and we just, you know, we gotta make it look pretty and stuff. But that's where we're at right now. We're gonna hit a burnout for you guys. Probably just wrap it up here, to be honest, and we'll end it with the burnout. So I want to thank you guys again. I love you guys so much for all the support. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you see every time I post. And I gotta get these kids in the video somewhere, y'all.
Hey, style matters.
We love y'all. Peace.
Blue President. Keep it 100, nigga, none lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciagas when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah.